All right, guys, good morning. I am already in a trade. I'm in MBY here. Started breaking this downtrend. Um, Bit of an upper shadow on this, but let's see if this 9 holds up and if this can keep moving or not. Did just break pre-market high. Right now 130 is trying to hold a support, but I don't know if it's going to happen or not. It got a little pop up to 143, but that was as far as it got. Good morning, Doc Trader. Yeah, my TOS is working today so far. Hopefully that continues because I'm already in a trade. I'd hate for it to go sideways while I'm in a trade. Big sellers just popping up at 130. Okay, they got taken out. So pulling back a little bit here. There was some support at 125. So I want to see that hold up. Oh, come on. Oh no. Oh no. What is going on? Thinkorswim acting crazy again. Because this is not the watch list I had. This was from yesterday. Oh god. Here we go. What is going on, Thinkorswim? Now look at this. My watch list is going crazy. Oh, come on. Oh boy. It was not showing any signs when I got into that trade that there was problems. Now it's acting loony. Oh my goodness. What is going on, Thinkorswim? What are you doing? This is fantastic. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I can't even, it's not even loading my charts anymore. Fantastic. So I can see my level 2 on this. See, it still keeps putting. So everybody's having problems, I'm assuming now. Since you asked me that, your Doc Trader, yours isn't working. Fantastic. Yeah, that is unfortunate. That's gonna kill market volume again. So that's probably why this didn't break out. Because it's had the chance to break out, but now I don't even know what it's doing. Let me pull it up on my phone. I got a stop loss in, but who knows if that'll even work. What is going on with Thinkorswim? This is insanity. MBY is trying to hold up that 125 area, but if there's not volume, if everybody's Thinkorswim is not working, then this is probably going to sell off. Just hope that stop loss works that's in there. Oh my god, this is insane. Do my scanners are even working? Yeah, my scanners aren't working. Oh my goodness. Thinkorswim. Well, I guess it'll be the same as yesterday. We'll give the stream here 20-30 minutes, see if Thinkorswim starts working again. I know yesterday it never started working like that. Like you could get on, but it was real choppy. And I don't want to trade. You're living one life. I'm not too happy either. I mean, thank God I'm not in that big of a position on this. I'm only in 100 shares, but still, it's pretty annoying. Like they've got about one more. They got like today to fix this and have it fixed for a while before I switch platforms, because this is nonsense. Of course, the tricky thing is, Thinkorswim's not working. There's so many people that use Thinkorswim that even if you are on another platform and Thinkorswim is having problems, the volume is going to be off in the market. That's the thing that like really is crazy about it. Like you're not going to get quite as much volume as you normally would. Let's see. This has dropped down. This is almost to my stop loss. Waiting to see if it's going to hit it or not. I mean, it's still yesterday. If you were on another platform, there was chances to make money. There just wasn't any really big rips. You're switching to Robinhood? I don't know about that one. I don't know if I'd switch to Robinhood. Does Robinhood have a desktop platform? What I would probably switch to would probably be something like E-Trade or whoever's Thinkorswim's best competitor is. Well, okay, you're joking about Robinhood. Okay, good. One Life scared me there for a minute. I would use Webull, but Webull, you have to pay for level 2 in time and sales, and I don't really want to do that. So I think like the only other ones is like E-Trade and I don't know. There's a few that I think are free all the way around. You use Tasty. How do you like Tasty? I've looked into Tasty, but I haven't really dove into it too much. Yeah, I can just see MBY on my phone, and the volume bars have just died off completely. Started to get that move, that break of that downtrend, but now it's just this volume just slowly dying. So I'm gonna end up taking a loss on this. Yeah, okay, so my stop loss just got hit, so I am out of this. I just wanted to make sure my stop loss got hit. At least Thinkorswim did that much. This is insane. You use TOS to scan, and then you use Tasty for your trading. How's the charting and everything with Tasty? And do you got level 2 and time and sales for free? You got those on Tasty? This is so ridiculous. I can't believe Thinkorswim is doing this 2 days in a row. You know what? Well, I'm sitting here not doing anything. Let's just take a look at Tasty. Alright, so here's Tastyworks. We're just going to look at this while we're waiting around. Let's see what the pricing is. Okay, good deal. No commissions. I like that. I don't use none of that. I don't use any options or anything. Oh, yeah, if you are not using level 2, you do not want to be trading. You are trading with one eyeball if you're trading without level 2 and time and sales. You absolutely you have you have to have time and sales. You have to have this and you have to have level 2. This is gonna those are very key for price action, to kind of get an idea of which way the stock's moving along with the charts. Man, wow, look at that delay. That delay on that stop loss. It already filled that 2 minutes ago. Yeah, I have a video explaining level 2 and time and sales in the day trading playlist, and I have a video about price action talking about all that too. Price action and candlesticks. There's some good videos in that day trading playlist. Let's see. I'm just looking into Tastyworks since Thinkorswim's decided not to work. We'll, figure this out here. Okay, here's the desktop. So this is a screenshot. This is an interesting setup they've got going on here. But I don't see level 2 or time and sales. This is they're not giving me a lot of information here to work with. Like, I want to know exactly what this platform has, and they're not telling me. I don't really like that. Okay. Check infidelity. Or fidelity, sorry. Whatever it's called. I was just curious. I wanted some more information off of Tastyworks here, but I don't know. I might have to look. I have to look for like a Tastyworks commercial or something. Let's see, fidelity. Let's see. How's Thinkorswim doing? Thinkorswim is still dead. Okay. So I guess that's what today's stream is going to be about. We're going to look for new New brokers. Let's see, Active Trader Pro. What do we got here? Yeah, E-Trade. Yeah, E-Trade is the one I was thinking about. We'll go look at E-Trade here in a second. Here, I'll go ahead and pull it up here. Like I said, since Thinkorswim is not working, the stream is no longer going to be a live day trading stream. It's going to be trying to find a new broker stream. They are not giving very much information on their brokerages or their platforms. Like this is like very vague information. I want to know if you got level 2 and time and sales and all the good stuff. Let's see. Let's go to get active. Okay. They're just gonna let me download it. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. Cause then I'll have to make an account just to use it. Advanced trading. Okay, 0 commissions. E-Trade Pro, yeah, we'll look at E-Trade Pro. Okay, if you're saying E-Trade Pro's got the stuff, then we'll platforms. There we go. Okay. Power E-Trade. Okay. Okay, technical analysis. That's good and all. Snapshot analysis, spectral analysis. So we got, well, at least we know they have scanners, but 100 technical studies, 30 drawing tools, but you're still not telling me what I want to know. Let's see what E-Trade's pricing is. 0, okay. What's your platform pricing? Is E-Trade's platform free? I don't want to know about your... Oops, wrong thing there. So I just looked at. No, let's see. Let's check out these release notes. Oh, that doesn't tell me anything. I mean, I'm going to assume that E-Trade has time and sales in level 2, but whether they're charging for it or not is the question. No level 2 on Tasty? Yeah, don't like that. That's not going to work. At least for me, that's not going to work. Look at this. Thinkorswim. Yeah, Thinkorswim is just dead. I don't know. TOS just yesterday did not work at all. It was choppy all day, and the first first, I guess, hour and a half, it didn't work at all. It's like this. It's just like this, just nothing. And then today it was fine, and it was fine right after the bell. I got in a stock just fine. I got into MBY just fine, and then right when I was starting to stream, Thinkorswim just started acting crazy. My watch list was going wacky and changing the different stocks that I had on my watch list from yesterday. Just like, I don't know, it's 2 days in a row is pretty rough. As much as I love Thinkorswim, I don't, if I can't trade, I can't trade. So Thinkorswim is just gonna either have to get their stuff together today, or I'm switching brokers, because gotta be able to trade. See, they're also not really talking about the pricing on their platform. Doesn't help either. Yeah, the mobile app is. You say in Epic you think it's a mistake to try to switch platforms? Yeah, I don't want to use the mobile. I mean, I can't really. I can't really use the mobile app to live stream and everything. And nor would I want to use a mobile app for day trading anyway, because there's just a lot of issues with using mobile apps. Yeah, no, like I'm not gonna switch like right here this second. I'm just looking at the options because I have nothing else to do because Thinkorswim doesn't isn't working. But I mean, this is gonna be the second day in a row with problems with Thinkorswim. So I mean, I'm willing to give them one more chance and give them the benefit of doubt till tomorrow. But like if they don't work tomorrow, that's gonna be 3 days of not trading. Like that is unacceptable for a big platform like this to be this garbage. If we can't trade on it, we can't trade on it. So, you got to switch. But I'm willing to, like I said, I'm willing to give them the benefit of the doubt till tomorrow. But because we have nothing else to do, I'm just going to look. But no worries. Like if I switch platforms, I'll do a tutorial on how to set it up and everything like that. The thing is, with most platforms are not that different. They're pretty similar. You're going to have charting. You're hopefully going to have level 2 in time and sales, but you never know. And you're going to have scanners and stuff. So if I do switch, I'll make sure I'll do videos on the new platform and help you guys get acclimated to a new platform as well. It'll be a learning process for both of us, but they're usually not that different. Yeah, they better respond quickly. And they better like start giving out some free stuff or something. I don't know what they can give out, but Because I'm telling you, people will start switching. Like Thinkorswim is not only used by retail traders like us, like some bigger traders, who have millions of dollars uses Thinkorswim. So like if they can't, they're trying to trade every single day, trading other people's money in their institutional accounts and stuff. They're not going to be happy with this. Like this is like to me it's like, oh, okay, I'm not trading with that much money. If I miss a day or two, it's like, well, okay, whatever. But there's going to be people out there that day trading is solely their livelihood, of their only income. So you cut off their only income, then that's going to be problems. Fortunately for me, it's not my only income, but still, get them one life, get them. I'm really sad that none of these websites are. Let's see what these demos look like. Wow, that's a pretty good bonus. E-Trade has a bonus if you open your account with 5,000. They'll reward you up to 2,500. I wonder what the stipulations is on that. I bet it's not. I bet you don't get 2,500 for that 5,000. It's probably dramatically less. I would say if you probably open with 25,000, they might give you 2,500. See, what are these stock plans? Oh. Platform demos. Oh, it's only $5 per month. That wouldn't be too bad. Yeah, Thinkorswim's still dead. $5 a month wouldn't be that bad. I could deal with that for level 2 in time and sales. Fidelity, man. Fidelity, y'all just look bad though. I'm trying to think of what some other platforms are. E-Trade Pro was free. I might check. I know E-Trade's one of Thinkorswim's direct competitors, so they're definitely going to be. Dom, you have 3 platforms just for this reason. In case one of them goes down, you got the other 2. That's not a bad idea. I'm trying to think of what the other possible platforms would be. Let's see. I'm drawing a blank here. Let's just do this. Day trading platforms. How about that? We'll just Google that and see what comes up. Of course, Warrior Trades comes up. See, Ninja Warrior has free day trading. Let's see what they got here. Yeah, okay. I don't like that. You gotta give me more information than that. Fidelity, they're ranking best overall. let's see, interact. Wait, hold on. Fully customizable. So let's go back and look at fidelity again. I mean, I have Weeble's desktop platform too, but like I said, the level 2 and the level 2 and time and sales you have to pay for. What was the name of their platform? Active Trader Pro. That's it. I'm gonna download it. I'm gonna download it and see if I can get into it. I may have to make an account. Oh, I do have Discord, but like all I want to see is if it's got the stuff that I need. Where'd that download go? There it is. Discord's all right. I mean, it's good for using a little, making a little community if you want. But it's similar to, if you have Facebook groups or anything like that. It's not much different than that. I'm about sure, even if it, when this gets done downloading, I'm about sure I'm still gonna have to have an account login to try to go into it, but I'm going to see if I can do it without having a big long process so we can check this thing out. Okay. So I'm gonna black my screen out for a second while I try to pull this up and see if I can log in or not. Yeah, so I gotta have an account with them. Got to have an account with them. That's unfortunate. I was hoping this would be easier, but of course it's not going to be easier. Why would it? Let's see. Some research, alerts, charts, layouts. I'm just going to Google this. What is it called again? Let's see. Active Trader Pro. Okay. So, I'll let y'all back in here. Bam. Active to Trader Pro level 2. Place at least 36 trades. Okay. That shouldn't be a problem. 36 trades in a year. I can do that. Well, now it's saying 72 trades. Oh, here we go. I got a user guide of Active Trader Pro. Now we've got some information. Now we can find out about this. Give me just a second. A couple of minutes here, guys. I'll be right back. All right, guys. Let's check out Active Trader Pro here, see what they got. I guess I should look through this. First, check Thinkorswim. Nope. Whoops. Okay, level 2 quotes, time and sales on page 50 and 60. Did I read that right? 50, 59 and 60. Here we go. Okay. What? You said 50. Oh, okay, never mind. I'm being stupid. There's page numbers on the page. I was looking at the top. Let's see. Boom, 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 boom. Boy, they've got some ugly charting. I mean, that's line charts, but still, this platform is not quite as pretty as Thinkorswim. But hey, if Thinkorswim's not working, it is what it is. You got to do what you got to do. It kind of looks like the DOS. Yeah, this looks like DOS. The DOS platform. So we do have level 72 times a year. Okay. Level 2 quotes are not available on listed equity. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. If you don't trade at least 120 times a year, how many trades is that? Then it's not streaming. It updates every 2 minutes. That's not helpful. That's not helpful at all. You need to see the level 2. It needs to be streaming. Figure that out. How many trades that is a year. I guess that's not. I mean, I still probably would make that many trades, but do you have to make 120 trades first? Before that kicks in? Yours is streaming? Yeah, TOS is down again, Mark. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Did it pop back up here? Let's see. Let's see if everything's working. My scanner's not working. So my scanner is not working. Well, I can't remember. Yeah, it's still laggy, still pretty choppy. Still pretty choppy. See on the Facebook group? Yeah, your Fidelity setup looks good. I like the way the setup looks. If you guys anybody in here who's not in a Facebook group, go join the Facebook group Framework Fortune Day Trading. And you can see what his Fidelity platform looks like. Nice. Yeah, that looks way better than what this looks like. So this must be an old user guide, because it looks way better in yours. So you got yeah, we're still not working there. Okay. Nice, nice time in sales. So you have free commissions. And it's got all the indicators and stuff. So maybe that's one to look into is Fidelity. This is the login screen, right? This is how your login screen looks with Active Trader Pro. Just to make sure I have the right one. Yeah, VMA. Then the second question is, what is the minimum amount that you need to open an account with them? Can you open an account with a small amount, or do you have to have? Let's see. Oh, I don't want to fill all this out right now. Started with 1,000, so okay, so we know at least you can start with 1,000. Okay, get out of this. Come on. Whoops. Let's see. Fidelity Active Trader Pro minimum requirements. So the platform is free. That's good to know. Options fee, but I mean usually options do. Care about system requirements. Let's see. Spelled minimum wrong. There we go. Oh, thanks. That was great information you gave me there. $10? Perfect. Thanks, Dom. Thanks for the information. You're making this a lot easier for me not having to search through all this nonsense to figure out what I want to know. So good deal. So yeah, if you only need $10, anybody can start an account with Fidelity. See, because I'm doing a live streams and I'm trying to, help out a lot of new traders and stuff, I want them to be able to trade on the same platform that I'm trading on, so we're looking at the same thing, which is another reason why I like Thinkorswim a lot, because it's pretty user friendly. But maybe that's what I'll look to switch into is Fidelity. If Thinkorswim has problems tomorrow again, then I'm probably like 90% gonna switch to Fidelity, because oh, actually, right there it says it. I didn't even see it. No account minimums, plus no account fees. So that's beautiful. So yeah, I might be switching to Fidelity. So I'll probably call them first and just verify everything. Rated 4 stars. Let's see what this thing says here. I don't care about level 1. I want to know about level 2. Okay. So you got a call to activate the software. Okay, good. Streaming news, no cost. Good deal there. Free of charge. Yeah. Yeah, so Fidelity looks pretty good. So that's probably what I'll go with. Good to know. Good to know. So that's the backup plan. And I may even just open up a small account with Fidelity anyway, just even if Thinkorswim does work. That's a good question. Daniel B's asking, are you working 100%? Or are you working, is Fidelity working 100% every day? God, this is terrible, Thinkorswim. See, here's the thing. When something like this happens, Thinkorswim does not want to work. Everybody needs to switch to a different broker. Like the whole world just needs to switch to a different broker, pull all their money, and I guarantee Charles Schwab or TD, whoever's working on the platform, I guarantee they will have it up and running very well if everybody switches, because they're not going to want to lose all that money. Yeah, I mean 36. So you gotta think. So here's what you gotta do. You gotta think. You gotta take out all the weekends. Look at there. Thinkorswim pop back in a little bit. Let's see if it's still choppy or not. Yeah, still choppy. What was I saying? Oh, you gotta take out all the weekends and think about. I mean, 36 is not that many. 36 should be easy to do. Like I don't the thing that the reason why I'm concerned with how many trades you have to make to get the access, because it says you have to have 120 a year to do the streaming quotes. But the reason I'm concerned with that is because I don't want to be told how many trades that I have to make, because I don't want to be forced to overtrade. Like I don't want to be having to think about, oh, am I at 116? Or am I going to hit 120? Do I need to trade to make two more trades? Do I got to force trades to make that? Like, I don't want to be doing that. But 120 doesn't seem like that much. That should be less than one trade a day. As long as it's less than one. One life. One life. You can't be. That's terrible, man. That's terrible. That's sad. That's a sad scene. Just crying in a. Oh my god. That would be interesting, big baller. If they're upgrading Thinkorswim for crypto, that would be interesting. That would be pretty interesting. Maybe that's what it is. Hopefully that's what it is. Hopefully they're done with whatever they're doing by tomorrow. Yeah, 260. Okay, good job, Dom, figuring that math out. I didn't feel like figuring out how many weekends are in a year, so yeah, 260. Yeah, so that's good. I could easily do 120 trades a year and not feel forced. I just wanted to make sure that I wasn't going to be feeling forced to trade. I don't like the idea of that. So yeah, I probably switch to Fidelity. I might even open up account anyways, even if Thinkorswim does work again, and just have a secondary account on Fidelity just in case. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. That includes holidays. Nice. Okay. Yeah, that's good. I mean, trading one trade a day is not really over trading. If you're trading like 5-6 times a day, that's over trading. But I just don't want to. I just don't want to have pressure on me to make trades. This is. quite an atrocity going on here with Thinkorswim. Like, nothing is working. I have used... Oh, stop, Daniel B. I have used DOS. I have used DOS. I had a SureTrader account a couple of years ago, but SureTrader is just so sketchy, and weird things would happen with SureTrader and the DOS platform. Now, I've heard good things about DOS used with other brokers, but using it with SureTrader was real sketchy. There'd just be weird things that would happen, like I'd start to be up in a stock and then it would just automatically sell, and I didn't touch any buttons or anything, and I'd be like, whoa, what is that about? So TC200 I'm not that familiar with. Lightspeed I would check out, but I'm pretty sure Lightspeed has commissions, and I think you also have to pay for the platform, which DOS you have to pay no matter what the broker is with DOS. I think it's still like $50 a month to use DOS. I'm not sure about Lightspeed, but I know Lightspeed does charge for commissions. And then, like I said, I know nothing about TC200. Daniel B, don't be mean. Just cause you're rich doesn't mean that everybody else, can afford not to trade every day. Yeah, Thinkorswim is dead. But I don't, like I said, Weeble's platform is not bad. I'm not opposed to Weeble's platform. It's just they charge for the level 2, which I don't like. Like if Weeble was not charging for the level 2 in time and sales, it's not a bad platform. Here, I'll pull it up so you guys can see it again. I had it up a little bit yesterday, but I'll pull Weeble up so you guys can see it. And then we'll give the stream about 15 minutes here. It doesn't look like Thinkorswim's going to work, so I don't want to sit here all day. Alright, bam. So this is the Weeble platform. It doesn't look too bad. You got your news, got your streaming news. You do have level 1, but level 1 is just kind of meh. You closed your Thinkorswim about 30 minutes ago? Yeah, I don't blame you. And then you got a nice little simple little box here. For your trades. You can switch it to market, all that stuff, and do your stop limit. They actually have an easy way to do trailing stops, which I still need to look into trailing stops a little more, but it's not bad. It's just you just don't have level 2 in time and sales. If they gave you level 2 and time and sales for free on Weeble, this platform would be fine. I might have actually accepted the Weeble sponsorship they tried to offer me, but they're new, so give them some time. I'm sure eventually they'll figure it out. But nice looking charting, and then it's actually pretty easy to use. You have your different lines and stuff, and then you got your indicators. You edit your indicators. Don't know what an alligator is. That's a new term for me. So you can do your EMA there. It's a very simple EMA. EMA 5. Okay, they kind of simplified this too much for me. I'm not sure why I have all these different links, but oh, look at that. They have little introductions. That's nice. You can actually read what stuff is. So yeah, I think Thinkorswim is the only one that has the OCO orders, or at least to my knowledge. And Thinkorswim's the only one that has the AT ladder, which is another reason why I don't want to leave Thinkorswim, because this AT ladder comes in handy, especially in pre-market when you can only do limit trades and stuff. Because you don't have to fumble with the order box with this AT ladder. You can just buy and sell by clicking. So that's for day trading. That helps you speed up the process. The one thing I can't stand is having to fumble with a box. Like this is all right. Ooh, did I just hit buy? Hopefully I didn't hit buy. That was close. Oh, okay. I don't have it. It's got to be unlocked. I'm not logged in yet to be able to. Okay. Yeah, Thinkorswim has these OCO orders. They're bracket orders, but you can put it in. Let me see. Let me put this to 1. I don't know if I'll even be able to pull it out with it barely working. Let me take my auto send off too. Just make sure I don't do anything stupid. Order template selector. Where'd it go? What's going on here? Maybe it's not going to allow me. Or editor, let's try that. That's on the second line, so let's put this on the... Oh yeah, no, Thinkorswim's not even letting me do anything. Yeah, no, Thinkorswim's not going to let me do it, so... Can't do anything there. Let's just check a few stocks and see what's going on. Yes, exactly. I was gonna get to that and explain that, but because it wouldn't let me show it. But yes, exactly. You put your stop block, you put your stop limit in at the same time. You can actually put 3 orders in at once. So you put your initial entry, your stop loss, and a profit target order. So you can put all 3 in at once, and then once you get filled with your entry, if you hit your price target, it'll cancel the stop loss. If it hits your stop loss, it'll cancel the profit target sell order. So it's very convenient. I don't really use it, but because I like to market in and out really quick most of the time. But it is a very neat little thing you could use. Oh yeah, I'm sure I can't log back in. I went through this all day yesterday. Kept checking Thinkorswim and kept checking Thinkorswim, but I'm not even gonna try it today. Whoops. I'm just gonna give it till tomorrow, and then if it doesn't work, I'll probably go ahead and switch to Fidelity. No, it's not under TIFF. You have to use the template editor. I think, if I remember correctly. But if you use the order template editor, you should be able to do the OCO orders with that. But mine's just Thinkorswim's not going to let me do anything right now, so. Yeah. Hey, that's an idea. Hey, Howie, why don't you hit up Pornhub and tell them to start a brokerage service Let's get the Pornhub Active Trader Pro platform. How about that? That's, that sounds like a good idea. I could take this joke a lot further, but I'm pretty sure if I take the joke any further than I just did, that YouTube will demonetize this live stream. So I'm just gonna leave it there. You guys can use your imaginations of where that joke could have went to. Got a nasty downtrend here on CCL. Yeah, if you wanna post a video on it. Boop. Where you wanna post it at? You posting it in the Facebook group or you posting it on here? Cause I don't know if well, you might be able to post it on here. I think you can. I don't know. I've never really been on the other side of a live stream where I've tried to post anything, so I really don't know. Wherever you want to post it, man, that's fine with me. Just thank you for asking. And then that way, if you want to post it in both the Facebook group and here, that's fine too. But I'll give a stream about 10 more minutes here, guys, and then I'm going to call it a day. Maybe, I don't know, maybe we'll be able to stream later. Maybe we'll be able to stream later if Thinkorswim starts acting right again. I don't know. I wish it would. Because I was thinking about starting the Trader Lounge videos today, but I don't know if that's going to work out. If Thinkorswim's not working, I guess I could do it with Webull. Not necessarily, Chad. Normally the first hour of the day, most people will say is the best because that's when the most volume is in the market. But it really just depends on what's going on, because sometimes, there can be some quick rips and stuff in that first hour, but then sometimes the big supernovas can come 30 minutes or an hour and a half, 2 hours after market open. So I wouldn't say really the first hour. I would say probably the first 2 to 3 hours. Once you start getting into lunchtime, volume's going to drop off. But still, even sometimes during lunchtime, you have big supernova rips. So, I mean, there's not really a specific time. I just personally prefer, the first 2 hours in the morning, because that gives me the whole rest of my day to go do the other stuff that I've got to do. So, there you go. There you go, Howie. Go fishing. That sounds like a good idea. Have a good one, buddy. But yeah, I mean, if you're a new trader, I would say probably stay away from the first 30 minutes. Like, be in the markets the first 30 minutes to see what's going on. But that first 30 minutes is always going to be pretty sketchy because the moves can be really quick, and then sometimes you do get rips that continue throughout the day from the first 30 minutes, but the first 30 minutes is the most volatility. And a lot of times in the streams you'll hear me say that. I'll say today is looking a little sketchy in pre-market. I'm going to probably wait the first 30 minutes before I make a trade and see kind of where everybody goes. So, I mean, if you're new, it's probably best to not trade in that first 30 minutes. Just give it a little bit for everybody to kind of shake out. Because a lot of times traders are looking for stocks, and you'll get some quick little pops. You'll get some patterns that look like they may be breakout patterns, and you'll end up getting a fake out breakout because not that much volume is on it because other people are looking other places. Like, the stock market is mainly psychological. It's people. You're trading people. So you gotta like think about where is all the people at. Where's the institutional traders looking at? Where's their buying patterns where it kind of looks like they may be at? Where are the retail traders at? Where's the majority of volume? Is volume spread out amongst 10 different stocks? Is one stock losing volume and another one gaining volume while that one's losing volume? So yeah, yeah, that's a good way to put it. One life, you have to be more of a scalper at open, which scalping's fine. Um, but I think a lot of us are looking for those bigger moves, and those bigger moves usually come after some type of pattern forms, and it usually takes 30, 40 minutes for a pattern to form. Sometimes it can take an hour, hour and a half. There's no, that's the thing with the stock market. There's no set rules, technically. You kind of have to set your own rules. Because anything can happen at any time in the stock market. All it takes is one person, just one, to ruin a trade or whatever. Because a professional trader in Wall Street, trading $1 million can come in and ruin your day. It could be the best stock in the world, and if they feel like they want to short it, and then other people around them who see them short it, they start shorting it. You get this kind of ripple effect from those traders in the pit, and they can ruin your day. So it's anything can happen at all times. You more or less want to focus on yourself and your own rules on how you make your trades than really worry too much about when and where the best trades are going to be, because it's really hard to even pinpoint that to a certain time of day because you just never really know. I'm trying to think of I can't remember what was on my watch list. I had my watch list spread out or made this morning, but now it's Thinkorswim completely erased it for me. But I was wanting to look at a couple of those stocks on my watch list. All I can remember was MBY and CCL. CCP I don't think was on my watch list. Maybe it was. I don't remember. I don't remember what was on it. No, it's not CCP. See, how's Solo? Let me check out. Let's see what Solo looks like today. Solo dropping down some. Still testing that trend line. Let me think. What stocks was on my watch list? Oh, let me see something. MICT. I can look over here on my side list and see some of them I think were on there. MICT. MICT did get a little pop. But see, here's a perfect example of what I was saying on MICT. So first 30 minutes, well, first 5 minutes, you can see here, if you see it, is that, what am I looking at? Okay, I see it. The volume bars in with the candle. It freaked me out. I was like, what's going on with this candle? But the candle bottom is right here. But you can see the market opens. If you see this start pushing up, you might think, oh man, this is going to start running, and you get in, and then it dumps on you. And then it continues to come back up. And when did it start coming back up? Now you can start seeing a pattern. Right where it dumped, kind of right across there. What is going on with this? Give me a polyline. Let's see how that works. But you can see, what do we got here after the first 30 minutes? If this will work, come on. Yeah, there we go. Oops, not another one. Okay, let's just, there. No. I haven't used Weeble that much. Oh my goodness. This is insane. What is this doing? Stop. Stop, stop, stop. Okay, anyway. So yeah, you have that dump, but you can see now that after it's dumped, it starts building up again and you have this triangle. So the bottom of the triangle is kind of right there, this trend line starting. So then now you know, instead of getting in here and then taking a loss, you waited out the first 30 minutes and got in maybe right here before the break of the triangle or even after the break of the triangle, and then you get a nice move up. Now it's sold off now, but still out of that triangle. That was from 715 all the way up to 847. So that's $1.35 right there in a move you could have got versus you see this popping out and it goes 640 up to 6. Well, I mean, that's still a decent move on that candle, but you know, if you wasn't scalping and you were looking to hold to try to get the bigger move, then you would probably hold through this candle and then it would dump on you. So that's why it's better to kind of wait for those patterns to form. Ford, that was the other one. Ford was one that was getting some attention this morning. So let's take a look at Ford. So then you kind of see it. You kind of see it on Ford. It opens up here in this first 30 minutes. You get this candle pushing up, which if you'd have bought up here, I mean, I guess it would have been fine because it still went up some more. But, you know, it didn't. It's not, Ford's not making a continual run. It made a nice pop, so you could have made a quick little profit. But then after that, it would have just sold off. So once again, in that first 30 minutes, you kind of have to scalp. You have to have that scalper mentality, which is what When Life was talking about. MBY was holding 210. And see, MBY got me. I got out of the gate, and I should have waited. And I don't really know if this would have sold off or not the same way if Thinkorswim was working or not. But it got me out of the gate there, and I got in at 129 today, and I held up to 143, waiting, looking for it to continue up, and then it dumped on me. So even while I'm saying that, I made the mistake today of trading in that first 30 minutes and getting caught in a fake out breakout as well. So it happens, but that's why it's usually better just to wait that first 30 minutes, because now that we've seen 30 minutes go by, you can see MBY is still selling off, so this is not going to be any type of supernova major run. That's as good as it got. Weeble is real time, I think. Let's see, what time is it? 9:53. Yeah, the chart's in real time, but level 2 and time and sales you have to pay for to get the real time on that. But you know, that's the reason why I don't use Weeble, or why I wouldn't use Weeble if I did switch from Thinkorswim. I wouldn't switch to Weeble. The Weeble's not bad. It just you know, doesn't have that level 2 in time and sales. Oh, look here, my scanner worked. Is Thinkorswim working again? Let's see. Nope, still choppy. My scanner worked, and now now my scanner's not working. All right, good deal. Good deal, Thinkorswim. You're the best. Way to be the best platform. Just work for milliseconds at a time. So, all right, guys, I'm going to call it a day. It's unfortunate 2 days in a row. Thinkorswim is just being absolute trash. Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. I'm not going to try to trade today if even if Thinkorswim comes back on, I'm gonna give it. Tomorrow, I'm gonna wait too. I'm gonna wait the first 30 minutes before I trade to make sure that it is gonna work, and then we'll go from there. We'll see what happens. I may be opening a new brokerage tomorrow. But yeah, thanks everybody for joining me. Very unfortunate circumstances, but we will get through it. We will try to figure it out tomorrow and see what happens. Guys, have a great rest of your day. Stay safe out there. Until next time.